Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Every house needs a little stash of batteries because you always want to make sure you have them when you need them. So this is the Amazon Basics AA batteries. These are lithium 1.5 volt batteries, and I got these in a 20 pack. And I always buy these Amazon Basics batteries because they are super affordable, they last a long time, and they're just a great thing to have on hand. So these have a 10-year shelf life, which is awesome. They come super well packaged, and like I said, they just really last a long time. So you never know when you're going to need some AA batteries, but it does come up more often than you think, and you never want to be stuck and not have it and not be able to use your devices. I also love to keep these on hand in case of emergency. So having these be able to power things like radios or medical equipment or anything like that, these are just great to have on hand for that reason as well. So if you need to stock up your house with some AA batteries, I would definitely check out these Amazon Basics batteries. They work really well, they store for a long time, and they are such an affordable price. And that's my point of view.